Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is EcoSmart Eco11 electric tankless water heater. This is a great option if you really only need to run one or two water fixtures at a time, like a sink and a shower. This model can heat up to 2 gallons of water per minute. If you live in a warm weather climate, this tankless water heater can meet the needs of most small homes by supplying hot, steamy water to a bathroom sink and a shower simultaneously. If you live in an area where the incoming water temperature sinks below 72 degrees, you'll have to be choosier when turning on the hot water tap. This tankless water heater can only run a single shower or 2 sinks in colder weather. Our second best tankless water heater is SteelLtron tankless heater. The SteelLtron tankless water heater boasts a 99% efficiency rating, silent operation, an impressive max flow rate of 7.5 GPM, and 92,000 BTUs in warmer climates. The unit's advanced flow control feature keeps water consistently hot during ongoing use, and a bold digital display shows accumulated cost savings. It'll reduce flow slightly if hot water demand exceeds capacity to ensure that hot showers will never be interrupted. Temper 36 Plus will typically use 15 to 20% less energy compared to conventional electric tank water heaters. Although, it's possible to save significantly more energy depending on personal home usage habits. The difference is that conventional tank water heaters continually store hot water, and as a result, lose 15 to 20% of the total energy consumed to the environment around them. This is called standby heat loss. Tank water heaters that use gas or oil are even less efficient, because they also lose heat through their vents to the outdoors. Third pick in our list is Bosch Mini Tank Water Heater. A point-of-use tankless water heater is compact enough to fit under sinks and is commonly used to boost hot water availability in bathrooms or kitchens. It can be used to boost supply from a larger whole house tankless water heater or a conventional water heater that lies far from the sink's location. 2.5 gallon point-of-use mini tank fits under your sink to provide hot water right where you need it. Thermal efficiency is 98%. This electric water heater is easy to maintain and has premium glass-lined material for a long service life. Eliminates long waits for hot water at your sink. Get on-demand hot water at your every need. Thick CFC-free foam insulation for maximum energy efficiency. Glass-lined tank for durability. Water heaters are compact and lightweight and can be floor, shelf, or wall-mounted. Features a sleek and attractive design to blend seamlessly with decor. Let's watch more.
No matter the application, with the Bosch Tronic 3000T, hot water will quickly be in hand, precisely where it's needed, saving time, water, and energy.
Bosch, invented for life.
Number 4 in our side is EcoSmart Eco11 tankless water heater. While tankless water heaters represent a larger upfront investment than the cost of a conventional water heater, the EcoSmart Eco11 is a more affordable tankless model that closes the gap in price between tank and tankless water heaters. The Eco11 heats more than 2.5 gallons per minute and can support up to 2 showers simultaneously in warm weather climates. It features digital controls to make it easy to set the target temperature for the water. EcoSmart features advanced self-modulating technology, only using the amount of energy needed to heat water when you need it. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best tankless water heater list is Rinnai V53 DAN tankless water heater. This is especially true for tankless water heaters which have to do their work on the spot and deliver warm water right away to your shower, sink, or other appliance. However, the Rinnai Value Outdoor Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater is a 5.6 GPM model that is designed for outdoor installation and saves space inside your home. With Rinnai, hot water is always available to you, no matter how much or how often you need it. Rinnai tankless water heaters last up to twice as long, and save energy heating water only when needed. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.